Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today's our topic how to make rectangles, slots, this too, rectangle, slots, polygons in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, let's start. Firstly, select a plane where we want to draw a rectangle. Okay, so let's take first rectangle 2 point. Click a point and drag. Let's dimension 15 millimeter and click. So you can see on this rectangle we can fix only one dimension. This is our dimension. We have to uh, redimension it and change as per our requirement. Okay, second is 3 point. Click first point, dimension it 15 and the second dimension 6 millimeter. So you can see in this rectangle we can fix both length and width dimension. Next one is 2 point center. Click and drag. So you can see we can fix both dimensions as per our requirement. This is our center rectangle. Okay. Next is 3 point center. First click and dimension. Let's take 15. Click and fix the other dimension. Okay. This is our center point and center 3 point rectangle. 3 point center rectangle. Okay. Now go to slot. First is center to center. So click and dimension. Let's take 30 millimeter and drag. So you can see on this type of slot we can if we have 2 point centers of our slots, then we can use this type of slots. Okay. Next is overall. If we have dimension of total dimension of our slot, then we can use this too. You can see this is our total dimension of our slot. You can see the difference between two slots. Okay. Next one, slot center point. Click and if we have a center point of our slots, then we can use this type of slot. You can see we dimension 30 millimeter. So this is our half dimension of our total slot. So this is our center point slot, center point, and this is our slot. Okay. Next is 3 point arc. Let's try. Click and dimension. Let's take 30 and our uh, length of arc. Let's take 30 millimeter and slot width 10 millimeter. So you can see this is our center to center length and this is our point to slot center length. So this is our 3 point arc slot. Next one is center point arc. Okay. Click and take 30 millimeters and length angle. Let's take 45 and dimension 10. So if we have the angle of our slot, so we can use this type of slot, center point arc slot. Okay. Next is polygon. So let's draw a circle of 30 millimeter for better understanding. Now take the polygon. In this tool we have two types of polygon. First, select the center point and click the endpoint. So you can see our polygon is inside the circle. Okay, second is outside the circle. Click first point and second point outside the circle. So this is the difference between two polygons. Okay, hope you understand the difference and how to work this tool in Autodesk Inventor. If you have any comments, then please comments on my video, like, share, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.